Yes. Today we will move to another one, small general knowledge. Okay, what is that? How you should be care with the fire. You all tell me what is fire? It will be red in color. You will see fire in the matchbox, in the gas stove or any stoves. Yes, when you light a lamp, you will see the fire. In puja room, in the deepas, you will see the fire, right? Yes, no? Yes. You should be very careful when you are lighting the fire. Why you should be careful? Tell me why? Because it burns our skin. If any accident happens, it will burn our skin. So children, you should be far from the fire. When mama is cooking near the gas stove, you should not run from the back side and push her to the stove. You also children, you should not run near the gas stoves, especially when there is a oil fry or cookers and all. Okay? Then in puja room, you should not light alone the diyas. Okay, you have to take the help of your mother or father. Okay, for lighting the agarbattis also. Okay, then is when there is no light, you need to light a lamp. Yes, no? That time also you have to take the help of your mama. You should be very careful when you are using the matchbox. Yes, no? Because the sparkle, small sparkle in the matchbox may fell anywhere. Only if it fell on the cloths and the cloth can catch the fire and it will become a big fire. That's why. Okay. We will move to next. If anything accident happen from the fire, what you have to do? First, you have to, if it is a big fire, you have to spray fire exhauster. Or anything happens, first you should, what you have to do? You have to put water and you need to call your doctor. Okay? Yes? Yes. Firstly, main thing, you should be far from the fire. Okay, children, you all do know? Yes. Today, with this, you need to do the yoga also. You are all doing that small exercise. Yes? Yes. Shall we move to our class? Okay, first one is our language class. First one is our language class. Yesterday what we learned? We learned the fourth set. Today is fifth set. Yesterday what we learned? In the fourth set, we learned QRST. Okay. Today we are learning U is not there because it's a oval. V, W, X, Y, and the last one is Z. Okay, this is the beginning consonants. Okay, these five are the fifth set of beginning consonants. Okay, we will move from one to one. Okay, V, phonic sound of V, Va. Phonic sound of V is Va. Yes, no? What are those? V for van, was, violet. Okay, V for van, vase, violet. Yes, yes, no, va. This is the beginning consonant. Okay, beginning consonant words starting with verb. Verb is V. Okay, the next one is W. W for what? What? Water. Next, women. Yes. W. W for what? This is verb. This is what. This is verb. This is what. Watch. B. W for watch. Water or watermelon. And the third one is women. Okay. These are the some words of the beginning consonants of W. You will find so many words. Just I am giving some examples. Okay. Next, X is X-ray, Xmas tree, then what? X-ray, Xmas tree, xylophone. Yes, X with X words are X-ray. You all know what is X-ray? Yes, it's like a photocopy of our any body which is taken by the machine. Okay. Xmas tree, this when we find? Yes, in the time of the Christmas festival. Right. Xylophone. Yes, this is one kind of a musical instrument. These three starts from the letter beginning sound of X. X. Okay. Next one is Y. Y for yak. Y for yellow. Y for yolk. Yolk means, what is yolk? Yes, it's a inner part of the egg which is in yellow color. Okay. Yak, it is one kind of a buffalo kind of animal in the Himalaya. Yellow and yolk. Okay. This is the beginning consonant of Y. The last one is Z. Okay. What is that? Zebra. Then zip. Zigzag. Yes. Z for zebra, zip, zigzag. Okay. The last one is Z. Z. Z for zebra, Z for zip, Z for zigzag. Okay. Today we are ending with all the beginning consonants. Okay. Except A, E, I, O, U. Because those are our vowels. Except those we are using the, we have finished the ending consonant beginning letters. Okay. Why you have not taken vowels? Because most of the vowels will come in the middle. Already I told you now, that's why. Okay, this is the last set. Okay, student, you all understood? I will give some examples for the same. The starting letter of this tree is X. Now, what is this? This is a watch. Watch. Which letter is that? That is W. Correct. That is W. Yes? You all understood? We will move to another one. What is this? This is a flower vase. Vase means verb means it's a V. Correct, right? Yes? Yes. Now, yes, what is this? It is a yolk. This will be in yellow color. Okay. What is this? Yolk. White. This is white. Yolk. Okay. You understood that? You imagined that the egg has been opened. So my figure is like this. Okay. It's a yolk. Okay. We'll see what happens. Today's homework is today's homework is a reading readiness book. Page number 11. Page number 12. Okay? Okay? Page number 11 and 12. As you did the previous one, first one, you need to circle the correct consonant, beginning consonant. Okay? The second one, you need to fill the blank with the corresponding beginning consonant. Okay? Page 12, you need to match the figure with the particular words of the beginning consonant. Color the picture that begins with W sound. Then only that picture you need to color. This is the last set of beginning consonant. Okay, till now we finished all the letter except vowel, the beginning sound or the beginning sound of the consonants. Okay, children. Till now, I think you all understood what is the consonant and vowels and how you heard the phonic sound of the consonants. Okay. The homework is RR book, that is reading readiness book, page number 11 and page number 12. Now we are moving to the second concept, that is our what? Maths. Okay, yesterday what we learned? Patterns. Patterns. AB, AB. What is that? If you take any two objects or any two pictures, that should come one after the other. Example is square, triangle. What should come next? Again square and triangle. Again square. It should come like this only, because this is A, B, A, B, A. This is the AB patterns. Yesterday you learned, no? After the square, triangle has to come. After the triangle, the square has to come. Okay? After the square, again triangle has to come. After the square will not come. Because A pattern. This is AB pattern. Okay? I'll show another one. I am writing one slanting line, one zigzag line. Okay? Slanting line, zigzag line. Slanting line, zigzag line. Okay? This is the pattern of AB pattern. Okay? You are understood now what is AB pattern? The two objects or two figures has to come correspondingly one after the other. Okay? After the A, B should come. After the B, A should come. C should not come there. Or two A's cannot come together. Okay? You all understood? I am showing another one. If you put one star, one circle, see here star, circle, star, circle, star, circle. Like that only it has to come. This is called the AB pattern. Okay, student, you all understood now? Previously we learned the numbers from 1 to 10 and the number names also. Today we are going to the numbers 11 to 20. Okay, 11 to 20. How the 11 has come? Can anyone tell me? How the 11 has come? Okay. See, after the, what was our last number? It's a 10. Okay. 10 plus 1. Okay, it will come as a 11 because 1 will be in the 1 place and another one in the 10 will be in the tens place. Now we are moving from 1 place to place 1 to place 10. So the value of the place changes from 10 to 11. Okay? Yes. Yes, no? Like that. 12. 10 plus 12 means 2. 2 places increased in the place of 1. That is 1 and 2. Okay? You all understood? Like this, I am writing 11 to 20. In previous, in the sense, in the LKG, we learned writing like 1 in 1 square and 1 in 1 square, 1 in 1 square, 2 in another square box, 1 in 3, 1 in 1 box and 3 in another 1 box. But you are upgraded to UKG now. Both the numbers you have to write in only 1 square, in 1 square. Okay? See, I am writing from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and the last one is 10. Okay? We are moving from place 1 to 10. Okay, this is 1. 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. 1 with the 4 makes a 14. 1 with the 5 makes a 15. 1 with the 6 makes a 16. 1 and 7 makes a 17. 1 and 8 makes 18. 1 and 9 makes 19. 2 and 0 is a 20. Yes, you have understood how the 1 became 11 because after the 10 value has been increased. What is 10? This is 10 and this is 1. This is ONE1, this is ONE1 and this is the 10. Okay, that's why the 10 value is increased from 1 value. So you get the 11. Okay children, you all understood? Today's homework is Maths workbook. Page 49. You need to complete the patterns. Draw it properly. See, for one example, they are given star and circle, star and circle, star and circle. After the circle, what should come? Star has to come. After the star, circle has to come. Like that, you have to complete in the workbook. Okay, maths workbook. Another one homework is you all have your box book, right? Box or square book. Write numbers 11 to 20. How you have to write? First you have to write 11 here, then leave one box, again 11 here till 20 you have to write. Okay, like this you need to complete in your square book. Okay, now we are moving to EVS. Okay, yesterday what we learned about EVS? It's nothing but a general science. Yes, no? EVS, everything you know about your surroundings that we are discussing here. Okay, EVS in that my family. What is family? The people with us and the people related to us are our family members. Why family is so important? Yes, family is important to you all? Yes or no? Yes, because family gives us happiness, joy and the persons to share our sorrows and sad. Yes, no? When you got hurt, you will share that, Mama, I got hurt. You will tell to father also, I got hurt when I am playing. Then you call your grandparents and tell, I fell down and I got hurt. And you will share your sorrow with your grandparents, your aunts and uncles, your sisters and all. Okay, like that. If you get a high score in your exam, that time also you will call to your grandparents, right? When you go from school, you tell to your mother and father that I got a high score. Otherwise, I got a good marks and madam gave me star. Yes, no? You will share your happiness also, right? Yes. So, family is most important. Sometimes family will be the big. like father, mother, brother, sisters, uncle, aunt, and what atte will be there, then grandparents, cousins, like that joint family. It's a big family. Sometimes nuclear. Sometimes what will happen is no, your father will come from one place from their native to any city. Like if you are in some other native, you will come to Bangalore in sake of work, in search of work. That time only the 3 to 4 members, like your father, mother, you and your brother or sister will be staying together. This is the nuclear family. Okay, both are family. Joint is big one, nuclear is small one. Okay, yes. Now shall we see who are all in our family again? Father, mother, brother, sister, uncle, aunt, grandpa, grandma. Okay, father, mother, brother, sister, uncle, aunt, grandma, and grandpa. These are all and cousins. Cousin means your aunt's son or daughter, baby. Any baby in your family is also a member of your family. Okay, this is water. This is your family. Okay, now I am asking some questions regarding this. Just you answer yourself. Okay, who are in your family? How many members are there? Who are those? Okay, in your family, whom you love a lot. Okay, in your family, who will help you in doing the homeworks? Okay, in your family, who will take you for a walk? In your family, who will take you for a outing in a car or scooter? Okay, in your family, who will play with you? Yes, these are all some questions you need to answer yourself. Okay? Okay, now children? Yes or not? Yes? Yes. Today's homework is take one second. Okay. Homework is interleave book. Draw pictures of your family members in play. Keywords. Write on 4 lines. Mother, father, brother, sister, grandpa, grandma, uncle, aunt. Okay, this you need to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then if you have if you have time means you can draw one family tree. Okay, drawing book. Draw family tree and stick pictures of your family. Okay, that's all for EVS. Okay, what you read? Interleaf book. Draw pictures of your family members in playing. Okay, and in that you have to write the keywords. Write on 4 lines. What are those? Mother, father, brother, sister, grandpa, grandma, uncle and aunt. Okay, with that, if you have time, you can do another one activity. Drawing book. Draw family tree and stick pictures of your family. With this, you have the language also. Okay. Hindi, we learn a, e, right? We learn this much, right? Say anar. Say okay, we learn only these 2 letters, right? This is E and E I introduced. Okay, E. But daily you need to read in that Hindi pedigree book, page number 4. You go through that. Okay, and complete the homework. The homework is page number 5. Already you practiced the page number 4. No, homework is complete. Page number 5 in Hindi practice book. Okay children, you are doing all these things. Okay, with that you all have LE app. Which is that? LE app. Okay, in that what you have to see number stories and you have to tell me how many laddus can bean eat. And the second one is the special club. The idea of self and being special. Why you are special? Why you are so self? That you can watch the story in the special club. Okay. And another one story is Flea in a Box. This you need to watch in Little Early Companion app. Okay children, you will all finish all these things and keep the homework ready for the weekend session. Okay, take care, bye.